So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a kit here for the disposal and the basket strainer. The old one, they had a trap in there and a little kit, and these are fine. It wasn't put together. It wasn't very secure. Let's put it that way. So underneath, they had a little jar holding up the trap because it was moving up and down. And then the disposals, they always come with a straight arm and then a 90-degree turn arm, which you can see is sitting right here. And so it just kind of looped down and over and back down. And anyways, it did, it might have stayed. It might not. I don't know. It wasn't leaking when we got here, but we were requested that we replace everything and do it like we would do at our house. So this is what we have at our house. So this is a standard telescoping disposal kit. What we like about these, it's got a long housing right here with a nut on it, and then the piece that ties into the garbage disposal. When you want to take it apart, you just take out these two stainless steel screws, loosen that nut, and this piece slides into the housing out of the way. So that's pretty nice. The other ones, it's just got a short little piece right here that it ties into. It's about 1 inch deep, and if you miss at all, if you cut it short, long, whatever, things get pretty crooked pretty fast. So anyways, so this kit comes with the tail piece, the T, and then of course this telescoping portion. And then down here we went ahead and made a conversion. We got rid of the old Schedule 40P trap. Probably that was fine too. It was a little bit crooked. It wasn't quite lining up with the basket strainer up here. So we just cut it out, gave you a new 22 back here. And then of course the trap adapter that comes with the kit, tubular P-trap, tubular extension up to our kit. So that's all our piping. We warranty that. And then everything else down here is theirs, the disposal and whatnot. We did reuse the original bracketry, which is sitting right here on the disposal. It was not the one that came. One of two things. Moen provides a brand new gasket and mounting flange, but these two don't work together. So the rubber gasket inside went with a different flange. So there's two styles. One, they make a rubber gasket that has a ridge on it that actually slides through this rubber and fills this gap, okay? It's not a big deal because it still compresses the gasket. So they just got flopped. One didn't get used over the other, so no big deal. It's back in there. That's not ours. So just the telescoping kit, P-trap, the extension, the tail piece up here, and then of course that's the existing basket strainer nut. That's not ours either. But the whole purpose of everything down here was to find out why this dishwasher is backing up and coming out the air gap. So we replaced the air gap first off and gave you a brand new hose. That's a brand new 7/8 hose commodity here, brand new hose clamp. So we're gonna go ahead and run this dishwasher and drain it and see if we can get that water to go out into the disposal like it's supposed to.